Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, I know it's been a while. I'm a little rusty, but having some issues with this 2017 again. I'll show you in a minute what it is. The electric fans stay on after you turn off the vehicle, and if you look at the gauge, it's not reading the temperature. And look, I'm gonna turn the truck off. Truck's off. And the fans are still on. Okay. So the only way to, I think after 5 minutes they should turn off. But the only other thing to do is just kind of start it again. And once you hear them cut off, turn the truck off right away. And they'll turn off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this the thermostat housing. That's the part number if y'all want it. But yeah. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this cover off right here. I'm gonna take loosen the clamp off the throttle body, and then I'll hook these. There's a little button on the bottom or on the top. You push it and then you pull it, and then I'm gonna hook it over here as well. That comes off, and then the thermostat housing is right here, right on top. It's a little warm still, but I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit, and then I'll unscrew it. Take the top clamp off of the upper radiator hose, and then the return hose, and then it has 3 bolts that you need to take off on top of the housing. I believe those are 10mm, but yeah. Let me let it cool down for a little bit, and then I'll take it off. Alright, let me take these clamps off. See if I can do it like this. You know what, let me get the other big tires. Okay, so drop a little bit of coolant. make sure you take that gasket off, because the new one comes with a gasket already. Set it back in there. Now it's on there. Okay. That one's on there. Okay. It's on there now. And then just put the air box back on. It's on there already. That's on there. Okay. These go back on here. Okay. Now we're just gonna fill up the coolant. Alright guys, so once you replace the thermostat, you fill it up with coolant. You also got to go, the check engine light is not going to be on, but you got to go in there. There's still a code in there, and once you clear that code, the fans will go off, and once you start it back up, it should be fine the way it's supposed to work. Let me turn it on, watch. So the gauge right there is reading now. Even the AC is cooling off right now. Can you feel it? Hell no, y'all can't feel it. Anyways, the AC wasn't cooling off either, because the temperature gauge wasn't reading. So the temp sensor was doing its job, it's just the thermostat, I guess, was stuck. But it's working now. Alright, I've been driving it for about 30 minutes or so, and the temperature hasn't changed. It's still like halfway. So I'm gonna call that good, I guess. Yep, that's it. Now, if the fans keep on doing that, say a couple of days later it keeps on doing that, then the only other thing you can change is the sensor. But I don't think there's nothing wrong with the sensor, since once I cleared the code, it went back to normal after I changed the thermostat and added the coolant. But I mean, it is what it is. We'll just have to wait and see. But I'll catch you on the next one.